After bringing his allegations against Bernie Fine to a Syracuse police detective in 2002 and getting nowhere, Davis says he was determined to confirm his story. He said
Kellen, give me a smile.
would disclose on tape the details of her
Kellen, give me a smile.
she says started when he was 12 and continued for more than a decade.
So, what are we hoping to accomplish by reporting?
Lori was the person that I talked to a lot about the situation as I got older. And she was there a lot of the times and seeing a lot of things that were going on, when, Bernie would come down the basement in his house at night and when I was laying down there and, she had seen him every night. But Lori was the only one else that knew about what was going on, and saw things that were happening with her own eyes and that we talked about it.
Give me a smile. Smile. Give me a smile. Smile. Smile, Kellen.
Davis, who periodically stayed here at the Fines' former home, beginning in the 7th grade, and at one point had his own room in their basement.
Kellen, gonna smile?
Told him he was aware that her husband was sexually abusing him.
I think it's the only one I've ever done it to.